Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I have another kinda quick unboxing and short review of this great product. This is a soldering magnifier, multifunctional. Okay, let's open the box and see what's inside. By the way, the model name is TH1723B. On the box is white color, but inside it's in. You can see. Wow, that's great. So okay, here is. Oh yeah, that's the stand itself. What else? Here is accessories, I think. Yeah, there is accessories. Okay, the box goes away. Sorry. So, what is this? Oh, this is a something like little for small parts, to fix small parts if you want it soldering, and this goes. I show you later where it goes. By the way, the links in for this product I put in description below. Okay, what's in this little white box? I think there must be a cable. Oh, that is a metallic something like holder for water sponge for cleaning soldering iron tips. Okay, this goes to side and nothing else. Okay, well, this is a cable for for this LED light. By the way, this soldering stand, or some people call this third hand, helping hand, this has a LED light. Here you can see is the switch for the LED light. I have not yet connected this. By the way, the LED light function works with three AAA little batteries. This comes not in this box. And additional cable for connecting, and you can power this LED light with USB cable. By the way, I bought this for about 11 euros. And I think this is not a bad price for this solid magnifier. So it has a stand for soldering iron. Here you can use this like soldering and soldering station or something else. Well, this metallic bowl comes here, and here you put this little tiny sponge. Just add a little water and you can go. Well, this is very multifunctional. You can see this. Yeah, these clamps. It has two clamps. You can put here wires and solder it together, or small PCB plates or something like this. And it is moving. This you can make your favorite position. And this is the magnifier itself. All over the build qualities, it's a plastic, but this plastic feels like not bad. Very great plastic. So this is not bad, I think. If you are a hobby solderer or some small jobs, it's, must go, must have. You can here regulate higher, lower, fix this Well, works great. So what I can say, this is not bad. It's very helpful, you know. So that was some kind of short, quick review and unboxing of this. Where is the box of this soldering, or he says welding magnifier. So thanks for watching, and see you on next video.